Most of you guys that have watched my videos lately know that I have a check engine light on my dash, and today we will finally be getting rid of that. So we will be working on the E90 today, finally. No more F30. I did scan my car and I did get a code for my DMTL pump, I believe it's what it's called. And that's right down here in the back. So we'll be replacing that today. All right guys, so I got my handy dandy toolkit right here. Usually it's a size 8 for all the little screws on the bumper. Or pretty much take off these screws here. You pretty much just need to take off this cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I'll show you guys where the little pump is. This right here is what we need to change. From what now it should be pretty easy. You disconnect a couple of these hoses, this electrical sensor, and you should be able to pull it like right out. So all right guys, so I pretty much unscrewed this whole evap tank, I think is what it's called. Well, we don't need this, but you'll need to take it off to reach this little canister or whatever it's called. But pretty much it's 2 or 3 of these T screws. I don't know exactly what size. I got those 3 T20s off, and now on this other side there's this little clamp that you squeeze. It might be a little brittle, so I'd recommend to like be kind of gentle, but I think it should be fine. Take this off, and then the electrical sensor, and then this should pop off. So I got the old one out, and honestly don't see anything wrong with it, but I guess I just gotta trust my car. It was throwing me a code for this, so I actually have a parts car. I'm gonna go grab one off that one and see if it'll work. That parts car has only like 50,000 miles on it, so it might be good. If not, I'll just order a new one, but I'm gonna go ahead and try that first. We should try to rebuild this car. What you think? This roof is kind of cut. I don't know, man. I think we can do it. Just kidding, definitely not. What's up, bro? Yeah, this is my puppy. His name's Beamer. Don't ask questions. Beamer, come here. So freaking adorable. So Beamer. Look at his eyes. Hey, you see your eyes? Ooh. So cute. So anyways, let's see if we have this part, which we should, because no one's done anything under here. But oh shoot, looks like this thing's already off. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that part off, switch it out, put on my car, and then clear the code, drive it a little, and see if I still get a check engine light. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Here it is. Let's go switch it on and see how it works. All right, so here are the two side by side. This is the one I just got out. This is the one that was in my car. Honestly, on the inside though, this one looks really dry, which could mean like nothing was flowing through it. And on this one, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely wet in there. I don't know, we'll see. Also, from smelling these two, the one that was in my car, you can't smell any gasoline. On this one, you can definitely smell it. So that one probably was actually like broken. Something's inside, I don't know. Alright guys, so I got everything installed. Got the cover back on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. Shoot, where's my keys? Okay, so we got the essential keys. The engine light is still gonna be on because the code is technically still historic, but I'm gonna go ahead and clear it, drive the car a little bit, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, it doesn't come back. So what I use is Bluetooth OBD. This is ELM327. I can put a link down in the description for you guys. It actually works pretty good. So I'm pretty much gonna plug this in over here, and it lights up just like that. And then you need a Android or like a tablet or something. I have a tablet. I got this app, it's called Torque Pro. So there's like a demo version and like, not a demo version, like a light version and like the full. I got the full just because it actually works really good. So pretty much my car's connected, as you can see, like the revs are matching and all that. So I'm gonna go to fault codes. And then you just tap here and then it starts scanning for codes. This one should come up. Yep, here it is, P1447, and that is the DTML, whatever it's called. So what's pretty nice is when all the codes come up, you just literally click on it and it shows you exactly what it is. So that, oh, DMTL, I said DTML. Go over here and then clear faults on ECU. Okay. Alright. Now let me turn my car on and off. Engine light is gone now. And as for these other lights, pretty much like the brake light, that is from my brakes. I actually changed all my brakes on my car. I just never changed the brake pad wear sensor. So that's why the light's still there. I should probably do that, but it's not a necessity, so it doesn't really bother me. And then my Tpms, that's obviously because I don't have any Tpms sensors in my wheels, because I'm always like swapping out wheels, so it's pointless and waste of money to just keep, literally to put new sensors in, it's like over like 200 bucks almost. I've sold those wheels that had the sensors in. I just kind of don't care for those anymore, and when I'm driving I can obviously feel if a wheel is flat or something, and I always check my car all the time, so that's why that's there. So if you guys were asking why I had these lights on, there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and drive the car around a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't come back. If it does, I do have another solution. So pretty much on these cars, there also tends to be like a gas cap leak, like air leak or something. So I read in a couple forums that a lot of people just like replace their gas cap, and this actually went away, like the service engine light. So I don't know, it could be that too, but hopefully this fixes the problem. If it doesn't, I'm gonna do that. Probably buy a new gas cap and pump just to be safe. So we'll see how it goes. But this should 90% chance fix the problem. So if you guys do have a service engine light and you pull up like any scanner you use and it gives you this P1447, I think it was, it will be your DMTL pump, and you probably will have to change that. It doesn't surprise me too much because I'm already at 100,000 miles on my car. But anyways, I hope you guys learned something from this video. It's kind of like a little DIY, essential DIY, I guess, for a lot of E90 owners. On the 335s, I do know that the pump is on the driver's side. So on like the 328s and 330is, it is on the passenger side. So just giving you guys like a heads up, if you guys do own a 335, it's going to be on the other side, but the process should be exactly the same. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys did learn something from this video or found it useful, please give it a like. I will be doing a lot more E90 content, as I said in my last video too, now that the F30 is done, and I know you guys will like that a lot more. If you guys don't yet, follow my social media, Instagram, Snapchat. I post some pretty cool content on Instagram, so if you guys do want to check that out, make sure you give me a follow. All that is in the description. And like I said, for this OBD scanner, I will put that down in the description as well. So if you guys are interested in that product, make sure you click that link in the description. I also link a bunch of products and mods and literally everything I do to this car or use on this car. So make sure you guys check out those links if you're interested, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.